This is the new E110 John Deere lawn tractor. Well, it's close to 2 weeks old now. And don't just stand there, sit here. Most comfortable lawn tractor in its class. Alright, the reason I'm out here, I was given a front bumper. It didn't come with a front bumper on the E110. So I'm going to put this front bumper on, video it. It didn't come with all the parts, just the bumper. Didn't come with the clinch pins or the snaps to lock it in place. But I'll film what I can. Alright, this is the bumper. Well, you can see it's going to slide in on this piece here. So this whole bar is going to slide in. I'm going to take this off first. I got a brass bolt, 3/8 by 16, ½ inch. This will hold it in. When you slide in, this locks into place so you can get the bolt in. They normally have the cinch pins for it, but they didn't come with this. I was given this free, so I'll be putting this in, sliding it in, and bolting it in place. There's the forged axle, front axle on it. Looks nice, and there's a piece which is going to slip into. Okay. Here's Ron. What we'll do is get the bolts and nuts off this. Didn't come, like I said, didn't come with the cinch pin and holders for it. I was given to me free, this bumper. Now, take these out. Okay. And I can keep those on. It's kind of raining here today. Spotty rain. Okay. It has to be squeezed in a little. Yeah, see it snaps in to place. It's slid in, slides in right here. The bolt will go in here. Take the bolt, I got a brass bolt. Bolt will go in here. I got a nut and a washer for it. I'm going to change this around. I've got the bolt going in this way. I'm going to change it around. It's under there is the muffler and not much room. So you can get burnt. It's pretty hot under there. I'll run the bolt through this way. Put the bolt in this way. Trying to film it one-handed here. Got a lock washer for it. And a nut. I'll tighten that up using a 9/16 ratchet wrench. The other way. These are nice. They're the colored tools that come from Harbor Freight. And I know the blue is 9/16. Oh. I got a wrench in back holding it. So I got it tightened. The lock washer and that'll hold it in place. There we go. Alright, that's tight. That's that side. Now I'll grab the... Alright, that side's done. Now I'll grab the left side. I get the nut, press, bolt, lock washer, the wrenches, ratchet and wrenches. Do the other side, which is the left side. Alright, here's the left side. You can see the hole where the bolt will be going in. And that piece that locks in is right here. You got a piece that sticks out so it actually locks in. You don't really have to get these. I'm going to make the bolts tight, but you really don't have to. It's nice having those skin pins. Alright, now that I'm filming this, looking under here, everything's nice and clean and new. All the parts. It's all greased up. The grease fittings are all greased. Piece there. Alright. Put the bolt in. Show you the muffler. There's the muffler there. See the light colored, aluminum colored metal there? That's the muffler. It's quite hot. Right here, the muffler. Bolt is coming through here. That's kind of hot. So you gotta be careful when you do this, if you're doing this, even with the clinch pins. Probably best to let it cool down while trying to get it on. Alright, bumper is on. I gathered my tools. All I needed was really 2 of them. There it is. Finished product. Looks good. I like it. The E110 John Deere.